Hi, so today I'm just going to run through how quick and easy it is to add a meeting to your meetings page. So I've got the WordPress training website open here, so I'm just going to click on the meetings tab and show you some examples of meetings already set up. So as you can see, we've got just a plain meeting here, and we've got a couple that have been populated with the minutes, agendas and additional documents. And just scroll down here, you see there's one with no additional documents. We've also got some that have got little titles just to show that it's an extraordinary meeting, as it says here, just a normal parish council meeting, an annual general meeting, or just a plain meeting as it is there. So in order to do that, we will go on to a little W in the top left corner. That'll bring up our menu down the side. Scroll down till we see the meetings. Click on that. And that brings up this dialog box. Now here you can just see all the meetings that we've got listed here, and it's quite important that when you add a new meeting you give it a recognizable file name, basically, because if you ever need to go back and find the meeting to replace an agenda or go back to look at old minutes or something like that, you want to easily find that in this panel here. If you call them all parish council meetings, then the only thing, as you can see here, you will see is a whole list of parish council meetings, which means it's going to be quite difficult to find which one you're after. If you just give the date of the meeting, you can find it extremely quickly. So that's what we recommend, and I'll show you how to do that now. So we'll go up to the top here and it says add new meeting. We'll click on there. That'll bring up a new panel. So here we've got add title. So we'll add the title for the meeting, and we'll say we're setting up a meeting for the 21st of May 2025. So you can put it in like that. You can use hyphens or dots or whatever, but this is what we would recommend, that you put in the date of the meeting. So that you can see here, it says date. You'll literally click in there and that'll bring up your calendar. So simply find the date of the meeting. Here's the 21st of May. You can click on that. That automatically puts in there, and that'll be the title that you see in your meetings page. You've got the option to add start and finish times if you wish. Here's where we have minutes and agendas, and the miscellaneous text box, which I'll run through in a second. So for instance, we want to start our meeting at 7 o'clock. We don't know how long it'll run, so we won't bother putting a finish time in there just yet. To add minutes and agendas, you simply click on the add file. That'll bring up the media library. If you haven't already, you click on the upload files and then click the select files, and that'll allow you to navigate to where your agendas or minutes are living. I've already added the minutes and agendas that I want to show you for just illustrative purposes here, and so I can select my agenda here, go down to the bottom where it says select, and you can see that the agenda's added in the box. We'll do the same for minutes just to show you. Again, I've already uploaded my minutes here, so I can just find them in the media library and select them there. Now this is the miscellaneous text box, and this is what I was showing you if you had an annual parish meeting or an extraordinary meeting, just something that's not a normal parish council meeting. This is where you put the text. Let's just say it's a finance meeting. You type that into the box there. That's done. That's what will appear under your full council. And just to show you on the meetings panel over here, you won't need to actually worry about this, because when we've set up the site, any committees that you've got will already be in this little panel. So if you've got a planning committee, a finance committee, open spaces committee, whatever it might be, will be listed here. So for illustrations here, we've just set up a full council, which we'll check there. Again, you've got the capability, if you need to, is to add meeting venues if you meet in a parish church or a town hall or whatever it might be. Those will all be listed here if that's relevant. If it comes to a stage where you've got to add one of these, then it's probably best you just get in touch with us and we'll add that for you. So we won't need to look at that today. But that's basically how we would put the dates, times, upload files, and give the meeting a specific file name if needed. And just the last thing to show you is additional information. Now that's if you've got additional information, any meeting notes that live outside of the agendas or minutes, you can add them here. So we'll call this additional documents. And again, just to add the file the same way we've done before, you'll upload your file. Already added one here, called it privacy statement, for instance. Also, we'll select that, and that's that done. And then we'll publish that in the little box in the right here, and that's it. So we can go back to visit our site, go onto our meetings page, and here is the meeting we've just set up for the 21st of May. So We called ours a finance meeting. There's already been previously been set up for the 21st of May, but here's our one. We called it the finance meeting. It sits under the full counts. It's got the start time, agendas, minutes, and additional documents. And that's all you need to know. So I hope that's useful, and I'll see you next time.